In a year, you could go from 0 reps to your first clean rep. Guys, just because you're in your 40s, 50s, and 60s does not mean that you're canceled out from doing your first pull up. Of course, if you started fitness, if you started lifting weights in your 40s and 50s, you're not going to be able to squat 500 pounds. But I feel like with the right progression, the right training program, and targeting the right muscles, you will be able to get your first. So, guys, before we are able to accomplish our first, we have to look at the muscle groups that are involved in doing a. So, as you can see, all your posterior chain muscles, so your lats, your biceps, your forearms, your shoulders, your so all the exercises that we're gonna do are gonna strengthen your back, your biceps, and your forearms. So that's how you gotta program this. So you have to do dumbbell, you have to do bicep curls with dumbbells, with cables, with machines, barbell rolls, lat pull downs, pronated and supinated lat pull downs. What else? We could do deadlifts because that's going to strengthen our grip, strengthen our backs. And I know what you're thinking. I'm 40 or 50 years old. I'm not doing a deadlift. And that's where you're wrong. And that's why many of you guys' backs is weak. Y'all avoiding exercises because the general population feels like you're old. You're not old. 40s, 50s, and 60s, you're not old. You're still young. You still can accomplish these things. So, guys, I know what you're thinking. How am I going to be able to get my first pull up if I'm not practicing the pull? And if you have that question, you're totally right. So, the first thing I want you to do, right? If you work out 3 days a week, right? Let's say on Monday, the first exercise when you walk in the gym and you're fresh will probably be a dead hang, right? A dead hang is going to focus on your grip, strength, right? Strengthen your grip, strengthen your biceps. You're just literally jumping on top of the bar and just hanging there for 2 to 10 seconds. If you're a beginner, try 2 seconds. And then let's say week one on a Monday, you got 2 seconds. On week two, try to get 3 seconds, try to get 4 seconds, right? And just keep increasing like that, right? Let's say on Wednesday, you go back to the gym and train. The first exercise you're gonna do when you're fresh is probably some negative pull-ups, right? So negative pull-ups is just jumping on top of the box. Don't jump, step on top of the box, hold the pull-up bar, and slowly lower yourself down. And that's just gonna work your core muscles. You feel me? Also some forearms, also some biceps, right? It's gonna get all those strong. So first week, if you only was able to do one, then the second week, add 2 reps, right? That will be on Wednesday, right? On Friday, you gonna try assisted pull-ups. It doesn't matter what grip, right? If you start with the wide grip, do the wide grip for 4 weeks, 5 weeks, right? And with assisted pull-ups, I do them right now since I already know how to do a pull-up. I do it more for aesthetics, right? And to get more reps because I don't get a lot of reps doing body weight pull-ups, believe it or not. But if you're a beginner trying to get your first body weight pull up, I feel like you should stick to the 8 to 10 rep range. You feel me? Make it challenging for yourself so you can get a bit stronger. You feel what I'm saying? Because the goal is for you to get your first pull up. Of course, you're gonna look aesthetically pleasing too, because if you're doing this, you're gonna drop some body fat, especially if you cut some foods out, make some adjustments. Don't drink 2 beers, drink one, stuff like that that you will be able to accomplish your first pull up. You feel what I'm saying? So again, on a Friday, you do assisted pull ups, you do 5 to 10 reps. You feel me? And every week you try to either add some reps, you feel me, till you get 10, and then you move up, right, in resistance. And with the assisted pull up machine, the higher you go, the harder it is, right? Now I'm told the lighter the weight is, the harder it is, right? Because it's holding less resistance. You feel what I'm saying? So just go lighter every week. That's just a sign of you getting stronger. I know what you're thinking, guys. If you have a higher body fat, it's going to be extremely hard to get that first pull up, right? Because all the extra weight you're carrying, right? And of course, there's people at a higher body fat that are able to do pull-ups, but they probably been doing pull-ups since they were young. If you never did a pull-up before, the best thing you could do is drop some body fat, right? And I don't want you to make drastic changes, right? I just want you to have some awareness of what you're eating, right? It starts with awareness first. So week one, just write down everything you've been eating. Even if you put a piece of gum in your mouth, right? Write down everything you eating. And then what you want to do is start eliminating the things. Say if you had two, right, a day, right? You eliminate that to one soda. You feel what I'm saying? You drink that one soda, you feel like you still not dropping enough water. Eliminate the second soda and substitute with something better like water, right? Stuff like that. If you eat a egg and cheese every morning, substitute the cheese, right? Or eliminate the cheese and just have eggs and bacon. That's a strategy that you could use to cut calories. Or probably don't eat after 8 p.m. Of course, don't eat like an asshole until 8 p.m. But you get what I mean, right? There is all strategies to cut calories, and there's many strategies, but at the end of the day, even if you go keto, vegan, paleo, any diet that you want to try, the end results is cutting calories. You feel what I'm saying? And getting your first pull up will be easier like that. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to my other videos that I will be dropping. I will be doing a video on machines versus body weight and free weight exercises. So stay tuned to that. Guys, if you haven't seen my exercise library, I have to update it, but I have plenty of exercises, back exercises, bicep exercises, chest exercises, leg exercise, any exercise. You feel me? If it makes sense, it'll be on the exercise playlist. So do what you have to do. We have a lot of help with YouTube. There's other fitness coaches out there that do a great job. You feel what I'm saying? There's AI now that's helping people. If you ask it the right questions, it's gonna help you. I'm not scared to give away knowledge. So follow me on Instagram, shoot me a DM, or email me if you try to get that first pull up. If you're 40 and over and trying to get that first pull up, email me. All right, peace.